Hey, I'm Ed from Bikerheadz, and this is the Orivesi 2.0 from RUKKA. Okay, today we've got an adventure suit from RUKKA, replacing the Orivesi from last season. We've now got the Orivesi 2.0, some massive improvements over last season's model. I'm going to run you through all the features. So I'm going to do some of the tech features first, and I'll run you inside the jacket and talk to you about those features. So, who's this jacket for? It's a pure touring jacket, so what you're getting with this product is a removable waterproof lining with an outer shell that you can wear on its own as a full mesh or summer riding product. So if you're going to be touring in Morocco, southern Spain, those sort of conditions, hot conditions, where you go from a cold condition that's wet to hot conditions, maybe up mountains, maybe to the beach or something like that, you've got those weather conditions covered with a two-layer jacket. So it's the only two-layer jacket we're running in the RUKKA range this season. It comes in three colourways. You've got the red, blue colourway, which essentially where the red on this one is, it's going to be blue, and then you've got the fluoro yellow, black grey colourway as well. Check out bikerheadz.co.uk to check out all the colours. We're also doing trousers to match this jacket on the Bikerheadz website, check that out as well. It has exactly the same spec as the jacket, the trousers. A few other bits on the trousers, again to your local store, check them out, but in terms of spec wise, it's the same as the jacket. So let's run you through a few of the features. First of all, you'll notice there's a lot of zips on this product. That's because there are 11 ventilation points on this jacket. So let me just run through those for you straight away. It's an important feature. You've got ventilation on top of the shoulders, front of the chest, so you can see you've got your mesh panel there. You've got another mesh panel if I open up this one here, so you've got a mesh panel there, so there's 1, 2, 3, that's 6 running down the front of the product. If I open up the arm area, underneath the arm here, you've got a ventilated zip there, that's going to allow ventilation in. Down the side here, you've got ventilation with this zip here, so again, you can see the mesh running through there, so ventilation down the side. And then if I spin it around finally, you've got an exhaust vent running up the top here. So, massively ventilated product. So even with your waterproof Goretex lining in, if you open up all those vents, that's going to allow air to the Goretex, help cool you down inside the product. Material on the outside is 500 denier cordura, as you'd expect from RUKKA, nothing cheap, using real DuPont cordura. Obviously it's going to be a seat-approved material as well, no issues with that at all. So, 500 denier cordura running down the front and all the way down the back of the product. Coming back to the front of the product, these aren't just vents, you've actually got pocket areas running down behind these ventilated areas. So that gives you a pocket that runs all the way down here, so there's a large pocket either side running down the jacket. So they're pockets and vents, those ones there just vents, 2 patch pockets down the bottom, 1 non-waterproof and 1 water resistant pocket on this side. So if I just open that up, you can see inside this you've got your Goretex lining. So there's your Goretex pocket, that's where you're going to keep anything you want to keep dry when you've got your lining out. So if you need quick access to your phone, slip it in that pocket, you're going to keep it nice and dry if you do get caught in the shower before you can get your lining in. Running around the top, Goretex neck piece, just undoes around there. You've always got park points for all the Velcro on every RUKKA jacket. So very small feature, but it's really useful. So those hooks on the Velcro don't attack your jacket, your strap or your chin when you're riding. Same on this, you can tuck it away here. And if you look here, you've got a small elasticated piece here. That just runs that through there. And that will hold that neck piece down and in place so it doesn't ride up when you get a bit of speed going. So, that now rolls away into the back of the jacket, just folds away in there. It used to be zip off, now it's a fold away so you can't lose it. People used to lose them sometimes, they weren't replaceable, so now it's sewn in the back, folds into the collar itself so you've always got it there when it's needed. Running down the front, if I just open it up quickly, I'd say there's your water resistant pocket, just a simple snap at the bottom, white KK zippers as you'd expect. You've got a small storm flap there, again just to stop any airflow going through if you haven't got your liner in. But your waterproofing element on this jacket is on the inside, so there's your Goretex waterproof jacket. If you remove that, the outer jacket is no longer waterproof. Just to make that clear to everyone, this is no longer a waterproof product when you take that out. Unbelievably, sometimes we do get these back on the road saying they're leaking. They will leak, there's no membrane in them. That's your waterproof element of the product, just so everyone's clear. It's now been made so you can wear it on its own, so if you get to where you're going, you can take the outer jacket off and you've still got this windproof, waterproof jacket to go over the top. You can wear in your cafe, wherever you stop for lunch, keep it nice and warm within the product there. Nice logo on it, and it tucks away nicely. If you look at the top, we've now got an extra layer folded over the zip, make it more comfortable across the top, in addition to last year's product. Open it up again, there's your storm flap. Inside there you've got an Outlast material. So Outlast is a temperature regulator. When you get hot riding a bike, if you're riding down the motorway quite happily, you've dressed for the conditions, you pull off onto the slip road to get some fuel, or you're just putting in some traffic lights, or you get stuck in some traffic, you lose that wind chill, you start to get hot real quick because you've dressed for the wind chill. What Outlast will do in those situations is your body heat will melt the wax beads in the lining, that'll pull the heat out of your body, store it for you. When you pull away, get the wind chill back, those wax beads go solid, it gives you the energy back and it maintains your temperature. So what Outlast does is it slows down dramatic changes in temperature while you're riding your bike. So it's great for petrol stations, traffic lights, traffic situations, those situations where for a short space of time you haven't got the wind chill kicking over. So, back to the jacket itself. You can slot chest protection into these pockets now as well. Inside there, that is available as an optional extra. In terms of protectors that come as standard with the jacket, you've got D3O elbows, shoulders, and a back protector built in as well. So you've got 3 protection areas. That is RUKKA's own D3O armour, designed with D3O to be comfortable, anatomic, breathable, and protective. If you look at any RUKKA armour, it covers a considerably bigger area than any other manufacturer. So it's covering the whole of the shoulder joint, the whole of the elbow joint, and down the forearms, and down the back. So you've got a really high quality armour setup built into this product. So, that's the Orivesi 2.0, as I say, available in 3 colourways: Cordura outer, waterproof lining on the inside, Outlast built into the inside of that. Wear a mid-layer, there's 3 mid-layers available that you can tuck under this for extra warmth. We do the Hulk, the Aldrich, and the Down X videos available on all 3 of those on the Bikerheadz YouTube channel. For any more information or to see the other 2 colourways, as say the blue and the fluoro yellow, or to check out the trousers, please go to bikerheadz.co.uk.